Now we are interviewing a leader of PA, Patriotic Alliances. So, would you please introduce yourself?
Hey, Antate, Naki Solim Kize, Provincial Secretary, ya Patriotic Alliance, go Gauteng.
Alright, so ke tlo bana le potsonyana fela tse mmalwa for wena regarding this by-election. Maikutlo a hao as one in terms of this by-elections about 35 some controllers
in Tate, for now, Tobani Nako, Resaineti Baba Kutlang, Miracle, but for now, ki disappointed. Turnout is very low. We've just surpassed 1,000 votes in total now. But also it's also difficult to also follow the by-elections because of it's not clear. No. It's not clear because a number of voters in this 1,000, around 700, they didn't go to any table here. They just went straight and vote.
They went straight in?
Yes, they went straight in and vote. And in all these VTs, that is the trend. But I know when that happens, it means the voters are changing their vote. Yeah, it means the voters are changing their vote. What we're hoping for is that we've given them the best candidate in Tatelinka. If those who were in the ANC, they'll remember Tatelinka was also eyed to contest under them. You know her, Bale, so but we gave them the best candidate. We are hoping that they will support and vote.
All right, thank you very much. So I've got another question for you. So if you guys want to vote, you have to vote serious.
That we need to change the system because the system is yeah. One, politics to them has become useless. It's something that when they watch, they see corruption, they see no progress, they see what is this, EPWP, only few that they see are getting successful, but also after a while those few that are getting successful, they are linked to some corruption of some sort. So it needs to go back from the school so that they understand that voting is all about taking a decision of a people who will lead you. But how to lead you? To lead you to prosperity, because a political party must make the life of the people better. So if you keep on voting a political party that maintain your poverty, you are actually doing nothing. And they've noticed that the only thing is that they've taken a wrong decision not to participate. But also, you must also remember that there was a time where the ANC embarked on a program of depoliticizing our people. Why? Because there is this elite group that must remain prominent. So most of our people became depoliticized. They didn't follow politics. They were not politically educated. The only thing that we saw people who will go and steal people's money, come back with big cars and expensive whiskeys and drink those whiskey in front of them. That's all we saw over the 30 years. But we need a voter education, we need political education so that our people are revived. You know the way it was done during the apartheid era, especially with the days of the formation of the PAC, the formation of SASO in schools under Steve Biko, 1976, that group were highly political. And I can tell you now, that group is the one that saved the MK in exile, because the MK was dying in exile. No one was going to exile up until that big influx of young people who were running away after 1976 went to exile. That's how it was revived. But politically, our communities now, they are not aware of politics at all. Sure. Sure.